you doing? We're based over here in London. What is up, guys? We're here in Battersea Power Station. We have a huge day ahead of us today. Let's go head into the Waterloo WeWork, catch a train. See you there. Let's go. I'm down here on level 1, a little bit more space, get a nice corner as well, which is really nice. Some very, very exciting news. WhatsApp is ready to go for sub. I'll walk you guys through that very shortly, but first, let's go get a coffee. So I'm not kidding when I say that for the past month, working on the WhatsApp integration for sub has been like 8 attempts. I'm not kidding. I've literally had to refactor all of my code like 7 or 8 times to try and make it work around WhatsApp's ridiculous regulations for just like building anything on top of it. The thing with WhatsApp is they want to own their platform, which makes a lot of sense. And we're actually not doing anything explicit, which is like going to harm the platform at all or anything like that. It's just the way that WhatsApp works is they want to protect their platform. They don't really want anyone doing anything on it. And so I've had to kind of like figure out solutions where I've had to figure out solutions where I can make monetizing on WhatsApp and connecting your platform, in this case the sub, to WhatsApp in a very creative way, doable. But anyway, we're here, we've made it work. I'm gonna walk you through that. I'm thinking flat white this morning. Let's do that. Hey man, how you doing?
Not bad, not bad.
Could I please get a small flat white to...
Open up half past 8, sorry.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What am I doing?
Yeah, I mean, the machine is ready. If you really need a coffee, there's a coffee machine just on the
I'll
outside.
go that way. Yeah. Sweet man. I'll come back for the proper stuff soon. I'm too early. I'm trying to make these guys work overtime. Didn't realize. I've never actually gotten in this early before, but it's really nice. Check this out. Isn't this the sickest little space? Beers on tap. Okay, let's just get a dirty coffee then. All right, so let me tell you how this integration actually works. So the thing that's quite cool about this WhatsApp integration is there aren't actually any directly exposed APIs under the hood for WhatsApp for this use case. And when I say use case, I mean monetizing paid groups, monetizing paid communities, like giving creators abilities to programmatically add and remove users based on their subscription status. But we're solving that here at Sub. And so, well, what does that look like? Well, let me get my glasses. I've actually got another VC meeting in 20 minutes, so I've got to make this fast. Okay, so this is now literally how simple it is to integrate WhatsApp into Sub. You literally just go to Connections, you go Connect Platform, WhatsApp, and what we're going to do right here is spin up a virtual WhatsApp client instance in our cloud. So essentially, that's just thrown back a QR code, which we can scan with our WhatsApp. So what I'll do, I'll go in here, I will scan this code. This is just going to be a one-time client instance scan. It's going to log me in temporarily, and yes, this is going to give admin access to Sub for about 3 seconds just to retrieve those groups, and you'll see that in a second. There we go, boom, select a group. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to select a WhatsApp group that I want to connect to Sub. I'm going to go Hermy group test, and let's go connect. So the first step is to add the Sub bot contacts. I've actually already done that, so I'm going to go next step. And then it's going to say, cool, open Hermy group test on WhatsApp and add that sub contact to the group chat. And we've already done that, so I'm going to add that contact. Then we're going to update the group permissions. That's just essentially going into the group permissions like this, group permissions, and ensuring that edit group settings and add other members is turned off. After we've done that, we'll update those permissions, and we're just going to retry updating and resetting this invite link. Boom. And that is literally it. We have integrated WhatsApp into Sub. We now have programmatic access to add and remove users based on their subscription. Pretty sick. There's some really cool tech for me to share with you guys. We've got an engineer joining the team in about 4 weeks. Oh my gosh, can't wait for you guys to meet him. He's the man. I've also got a meeting later on, it's either today or tomorrow, with the UI UX designer again that I met with last week. We've got some big plans there of brand new product that we're going to start shipping in the next 3 to 6 months. But also, most importantly, we really want to focus on the 2 core metrics for Sub right now, which at this stage are new creator users on board. So these are people that are actually bringing subscriptions to the platform. And number 2, obviously, growing their subscriptions. So there's one very obvious problem right here, which is for creators that want to get more subscriptions on board, how do they get more subscriptions on board? And that's where discoverability comes in. But more on that soon. I can't give all my eggs away just yet. Let's do some meetings. Let's get some work done. We'll see you soon. And a flat white for me, please.
Best time whenever you've done.
So good. Thanks, man. Okay, so it's been a good morning so far. Let's walk over here and we'll do a little debrief. So had 2 investor meetings today already inbound. One based in New Zealand, one based in Australia. That was close. But otherwise today, we have a calendar full of actually meeting with more potential sub creators, which is cool. Yeah, should we go down here somewhere? Should we go this way? Yeah, this is probably one of the first days in about a month that I haven't been like actively thinking about coding on WhatsApp, which is great, which means we can almost get that ready to go. See, yeah, let's go. So plan of action to get that out into the public is going to be, we need a sick photo that can go viral on LinkedIn that we need to take, and if we can write a post about how we've just created this awesome integration with WhatsApp. Number 2, I need to email every single one of our people that have come inbound over the last couple of months who's interested in the WhatsApp integration. I want to tell them that it's ready to go right now in production. Well, I just need to turn it on first, but yeah, it's ready to go. Thirdly, I've actually been invited to this pretty sick event tonight. I think there's going to be like 20 VCs and me, which is hilarious. I think I'm the plus one to the event. So either I'm going to get a ton of investment or absolutely none. So plan of action, let's test the integration, make sure everything's looking good on prod. We'll check the logs, make sure the back end is sweet. We'll push it out, and then I'll just tell some people to jump on board and start testing it out. So yeah, let's try push this thing into production, see if it works. Oh wait, everything is in production. I've just hidden it on the front end. So I just need to enable the front end. That's like one line of code, easy. Okay, we are in production. Look at this. Connect platform, WhatsApp. All right, let's hope this all works. Here we go, launching WhatsApp. Yep, that looks good. Let's actually screen record as well. Admin WhatsApp connection. Sweet, I've got my 2 admin numbers right there. That's cool. Let me just check 52. Okay, cool. And their contact invite link. So essentially what I need to do is set like an initial invite link. It's like a contact link that you can have inside WhatsApp. So it's like a wa.me link. You can have it for like any phone number, but I need those initial links in there so people can just scan a code and it adds the contact to their phone like instantly. I'll show you in a second. Man, testing in prod's pretty gnarly. Okay, here we go. Connecting, it's all looking good. Retrieving WhatsApp groups. active. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Let's select a group. We're going to go another cool group, connect that. Boom. Okay, cool. So first step, we need to add these sub-bot admin contacts. And this is what I was just updating those contact URL QR links for. So if we scan one of these, there we go. We get an instant, like, I've already added the contact, but normally it would come up with an add contact card. Now we'll just do the second one. Perfect, cool. So we've got both bots added as contacts. Next step, add our contacts to another cool group. So another cool group, I actually have already done that, but cool, they're already in there. I've added the contacts. So now we're gonna assign them as admins. I've already done that, so we'll check. And cool, that actually worked, that was great. We're gonna update these group permissions. So we'll go edit. Let's double check group permissions. Yep, group permissions are good, I've updated. And now we're just gonna update this invite link. Retry. Boom, we're in. Look at that, on prod. Connected, that's literally connected. Let's verify, here we go. This is the part that I care about because this verify uses our admin to test the connection. Ready? Bro, looks good. Oh, we've done it. We've done it. 4 to 5 weeks of grueling pain. Okay, let's add it to a tier. Pricing. I'm going to create, actually no, I've got an existing tier here. Let's go edit. We'll remove this Discord role for Jacob's Dev Club because that club sucks, I've heard. So yeah, let's go select. We're gonna select a WhatsApp. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, we've got a screen recording, it's cool. Select WhatsApp, we're gonna select a group, another cool group, save groups. Let's go, baby. Updated. Now we're gonna copy the secret tier, paste that. Bro, we're in. Let's test the new flow because the checkout flow is completely different. So what should happen here is if one of the perks that you're associating with your community is on WhatsApp, then it should ask for your phone number on checkout. So let's give that a go. Bro, see, I'm actually a freaking god. Isn't that sick? Okay, here we go. So let me type in a bogus, I'm okay with being removed from the group programmatically. Proceed to payment. Okay, let's do it. All right, let's subscribe. Here we go. Subscribing. Boom, baby. Oh, look at that. New subscriber for Jacob's Dev Club. Jacob is sub me. Let's go, look at that. Oh my gosh. My AWS event bridge like all fired beautifully as well. Look at this. Join Jacob's Dev Club on WhatsApp. Click here to join Jacob's Dev Club on WhatsApp. You must join using your WhatsApp number, or you'll be automatically removed. Oh my gosh, everything's working. Okay, cool. Now, this is the cool part. Check this out. So if you go and actually try to claim this, you have one invite pending. You can only claim this invite once. And so I can actually go ahead now and claim this, and boom, open WhatsApp, and I'm inside. But also, watch this. Watch what happens when I try and claim it twice. Ooh, invalid invite code. See, that's for all you sneaky boys who try and share that around. No. Guys, WhatsApp's in production. Crazy. All right, let's get some creators on board. All right, productive morning so far. 3 or 4 meetings. We've pushed WhatsApp to prod. We've emailed everyone who was interested in WhatsApp. We've already booked in some in-person demos as well. Lots going on. Now, we're just gonna go and take a photo for this LinkedIn post and try and go viral again for announcing the WhatsApp integration. Also had a really cool call just then with some VCs based in Sydney. They're all like founders themselves, so they're all really cool. Oh, look at that, how sick. Isn't that sick? We've got to try and find a good like scene setting for this photo. I don't know, let's go have a look. So what do you think? Does it?
No.
Okay. Too dark? Okay, let's go to a different spot. Like, cause that's kind of sick. See what it looks like. Oh, LinkedIn's vertical. That could be cool. What's that?
Look up into the distance.
I don't know. Well, I wouldn't use, this would be awkward. It kind of wouldn't make sense almost. I kind of need to be looking at the camera, I think.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Like,
Like that.
do you want to hold it? And then...
I could try hold it. Man, this is tourist central around here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, you ready? Dude, that's sick. We got it. Look at that. That's sick.
It's good. It's got the perspective. I think it just needs a little crop.
Yeah.
Crop it in.
Oh, I think it's sick. I think that could be the winner. It was like active, and the ice cream truck, that was hilarious. We did it. We got the photo. Also, real funny story. I've had a guy that was like, "Hey, come work out of our office for a day," and I was like, "Cool, I'll come and meet you." He's working on the 9th floor of the WeWork we're in. It's hilarious.
No way.
Yeah. Subway? I could do it. Could I get a foot-long Italian herbs and cheese? Notorious BMT. So I have a meeting at 3, 4, and 4:30 and 7. All right. A bit of everything, yeah. Thank you. All right, cool. VC calls done. WhatsApp push to prod. Photo for LinkedIn taken. Foot-long Subway. Guys, the day just can't get any better than this. This is peak productivity. All right, we are gonna speed run a forgot password flow because funnily enough, it's one of the last things that I have not built for Sub yet. Although we have all this functionality, we have people forgetting their passwords, their basic passwords. So we need to build that. So yeah, we're gonna speed run that. It's currently 1:44. I have a call over in King's Cross, not a call, I have a coffee over in King's Cross. So I've really only got about 20 minutes. Also, before I forget, this is our brand new apartment. Check this bad boy out. We've got Maddie sitting at our new table right here, kitchen. We've got the bathroom, we've got the bedroom. Himmy, look. You made it to London, didn't ya? Yeah. The living room, we're gonna have to obviously pimp this up, make it way cooler. We've got some art for the walls. We've got no TV, LG, Samsung, you guys wanna sponsor me? These all open up, but look at this bad boy. How cool is that? And also views of Tower Bridge. I'm just kidding, it's not Tower Bridge, but wouldn't it be sick if it was? So yeah, here we are, Battersea. Very, very cool area. And the Olympics are on right now, which means every day, all day, out on the field, which is like right outside our building, there's just like 1,000 people sitting on the grass, watching a big projector screen with the Olympics. Pretty cool. Is this your favorite spot? All right, let's do this. Speed run, forgot password flow. Let's go. Okay, we got so close. We had all the back end done, front end like 50% done, but I am gonna be late if I don't leave now. Look, 2:14, let's get out of here. Wait, guys, we have to stop the video to talk about today's sponsor on the channel, Scrimba. And if you're wanting to learn how to code, or you're just wanting to learn a little bit more so that you can get that engineering junior level role, well, it's so easy to get started, even my dog can do it. Hey, Hemi. Hey, treats? Dinner? Scrimba? Hemi, dinner? Hey, do you want dinner? That's the power of Scrimba. Let me show you how you can get started. It's a super sick platform, and I'm not just saying that. I actually learned how to code on Scrimba. Super sick. Except when I learned it was the V1, they've just upgraded to the V2 version, which is super sick. Check this out. So if you head over to v2.scrimba.com, you don't even need to remember that. There's a link right down below. And sign up just for a free account. You can jump right in And there are a ton of courses ready to go. Whether you want to do web development, mobile development, game development, AI development, they've got so many different resources that you can check out right now for free. But if you want to go that step further and you actually want to go towards like a front-end developer career path and actually like land a junior or intermediate level role, this is the place that I would start. And I'll start with something like the front-end developer career path. It's actually one that I've checked out myself, and before this even existed, I would do this manually. Scrimba's now put it in one place where you can just follow through all the way from like the basics of programming and HTML and CSS and learning all that good stuff, all the way up to like JavaScript, TypeScript, React, advanced React, actually like processing APIs and doing back-end stuff, and like, man, then you could be building something like Sub. I'm just saying, the reason why I like Scrimba and the reason that I actually used it when I was getting started is because the way you use Scrimba is by doing. Let me show you. You jump in and they've essentially built, it's actually quite a cool like code product. They've essentially built this virtual DOM editor where it's like a video, but then once you're inside, you can click inside the IDE and edit the code. Quite a cool project actually. Like if anything, we should actually build this project here. How about you do the front end, I'll do the back end. All right, deal? But seriously guys, if you want to get into coding or you want to improve your development skills, go check Scrimba out. There's a link down below where you can get a little bit off your pro purchase if you want to go to that next level. It also gives me a little kickback as well, which is nice. Maybe we can buy Hermie some more dog food. Shout out to Scrimba for sponsoring the video. Back to the video. Okay guys, I'm back from my coffee. That was good with the creator that's coming onto WhatsApp, but I just wanted to show you guys a really quick, funny code bug that I wrote before that I've just figured out now, which is so dumb. But check this out. First of all, when you're doing forgot password flows or anything that is an endpoint that's exposed to the public that does not require a JWT authentication token, always, and I mean always, have a throttler, some sort of way to rate limit the number of requests coming in, or you will get bombarded with requests for whatever that endpoint is. They will find it. That's the first thing. The second thing, be careful on the responses, even error responses that you provide to services such as forgot passwords. And in this case, remember just before, in the forgot password flow, if I jump into the service, forgot password, and I first search for an existing user, and if there isn't an existing user, throw a not found exception. Well, this is actually bad practice, and you should not do this, and I'm actually going to remove this right now. And that's because bad actors technically could just keep throwing, and I know it's throttled anyway, so it would take them a long, long time, but technically they could go through and figure out who is and who isn't a member in my platform, just by going through this and getting the negative feedback. So it's actually good practice to remove anything like that and always throw a 200 or a 201 that everything's gone through perfectly, even if there isn't an email found. And all you can just show is essentially just like, hey, if there is an email, we'll send it. The second funny thing is the second function that I wrote, which was the change password one, the one that looks just like this right here. Now, I don't know if you guys notice anything between the one above it and the one below it, but this one doesn't actually have a CRUD definition defined at all. It doesn't even say if it's a post or a get or a put. That's gonna break. That's not gonna work. So I need to add a post. There you go. Nice little bit of debugging for the day. It's 5:41. I actually just got off a cool call as well with someone who's not a dev, but they're in a startup and I think they're in like a marketing social position, and just had a cool chat just about like YouTube and like creating content, and that was fun. So shout out especially to everyone in the Dev Club who's been creating YouTube channels and building like dev and startup content. You guys are awesome. You all know who you are. You're freaking awesome. Second thing, we're now in London. We did a dev meetup for the Dev Club in New York City, but we're about to do one very, very likely next month in August for the Dev Club here in London. But if you want to come along, we're going to do something in London. I don't know. We'll go to some random bar in London and smash a whole lot of Guinnesses or something. I don't know. We'll talk about code, we'll talk about projects. We'll have a lot of fun. We did it in New York, we're gonna do it in London. If you wanna do that, jump into Jacob's Dev Club. The link is down below. We've already got like 200 devs in there. We all just talk rubbish all day about projects we're building and code we're breaking and ideas, and we talk about YouTube, and yeah, there's lots of cool things. So anyway, peace out. Thanks for following along. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Otherwise, that is how I feel. Peace out, guys. Have a good day. Bye.